Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
So our chapter line and linear graph is over. We have completed it or not? Have we completed the chapter line and linear graph? It was the
No,
last
sir.
chapter. No. Any question left in the chapter?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me see. Okay, we have done till question number 7. No, 8. Start doing question 9, everyone. Start doing the ninth one. Have you all done the ninth one? No, I don't think you've done the ninth. Do the ninth one. All of you. Start doing the ninth question. So this is exercise 23A, only one exercise in the chapter. Question number 9, everyone. We already know how to do it. Yesterday we did questions on the same topic. You have to read the line graph that is given in the question and answer the following parts. There is a graph given.
Sir, done the ninth one.
Done all the parts. Very good. Post your answers in
Yes,
the
sir.
group. Post your answers in the group, Pranjali. Rest of you, have you all done? Yes, beta, have you all done? Rest of you. Question
Yes,
number
sir.
9.
Posted.
Very good, Pranjali. I'm checking it. So there is a line graph given in question number 9, which is showing distance from A in kilometers and the time. A man started his journey on his car from location A and came back. He came back to his location. The graph given below shows his position at different times during the whole journey. Okay, so he started from location A at what time? 5:30, and then he covered all the distance. He went somewhere, and then he came back from there to again. He came back again to the location A. Okay, and finally he came back at 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. in the evening. So the first question that we have to answer is, at what time did he start and end his journey? I already gave the answer. The answer is he started at 5:30 a.m. and He ended his journey at 6 p.m. Correct answers, both of you. Both the answers are correct. Sorry, Pranjali. All the others, have you all posted your answers? No. I'm giving you 1 minute more to post all the five answers in the group. Very easy questions. I think this is the easiest chapter in the whole syllabus. Am I right or not, everyone? Mandina, am I right or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Is this the easiest chapter in the syllabus, Mandina?
Yes, sir.
Then please post your answers.
Okay, sir.
And please keep your videos on, everyone. Pranjali, Anshuman, Mayank, Mandina. Anshuman and Mayank, please post your answers. Complete the question. Just a minute. Let me come connect my phone with charger. Its battery is about to get over. Just a minute. Till then, you all post your answer. Okay, so who has posted? Anshuman, you have posted. Beta, write 5:30 a.m. and 6 p.m. a.m. and p.m. Okay, second question, everyone. Mandina and Mayank, you have not posted. Second question, what was the total duration of the journey? The journey started at 5:30 a.m. and it ended at 6 o'clock in the evening. So that means the
Sir,
total duration was Mayank.
sir, 12 hours, 30 minutes.
Absolutely right. Very good, Mayank. Third part, Mandina will give the answer. Mandina, which journey onward or return, that means when he was going or when he was returning back, was of longer duration? Which journey was of longer duration? Onwards or
Back.
return? Return back journey was longer duration.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Mandina, he's when he was going from his location A, he was going somewhere. He started at 5:30. Look at the time. He started at 5:30 and then he reached the location at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Okay. Look at the top point of the graph. That means he reached there at 2 p.m. And then after 2 p.m. he started coming back. At 6 p.m. he reached back to his original location, location A. So that means he when he was going, he started at 5:30 and reached at 2 p.m. The time between this from 5:30 to 2 p.m. the total duration is how much? 6 hours 30 minutes plus 2 hours, 8 hours 30 minutes when he was going. And when he was coming back, he took only 4 hours. So which was the longer duration? Onwards.
So when he was going, yeah.
That means onwards. Okay. Okay, next one, fourth one, Pranjali. For how many hours did he not move? For
Sir,
how
6
many?
hours.
Total 6 hours he did not move at all. Absolutely right. Very good. From 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. he did not move 3 hours. And from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. also he did not move at all. So you can see there is no change in the distance covered between these two times. 6 to 9 and 10 to 1. So that means 3 plus 3, it makes 6 hours. Very good, correct answer. And Anshuman, last one. At what time did he have the fastest speed? At what time his speed was the fastest?
Sir,
Tell.
from 2 p.m. to 5:30 p.m.
From 2 p.m. to 5:30. Sure.
Yes, sir.
For this, you have to find out the maximum distance covered in least duration of time. Maximum distance covered in least duration of time. So
So then 1 p.m. to 2 p.m.
1 p.m. to 2 p.m., not 1 p.m. 1:30 p.m. to 2 p.m. Okay.
Okay.
1:30 p.m. to 2 p.m. Okay.
Okay.
And also his speed during the time 5:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. also in that time duration also his speed was the same. And also in the time duration 5:30 a.m. to 6 a.m. in that duration also his speed was the same. So during these three times his speed was same and it was the maximum speed. Got it? During these this half an hour he covered a distance of 20 kilometers. You can see half an hour time 5:30 to 6, half an hour. How much distance is covered? 20 kilometers. So that means the speed is 40 kilometers per hour. In the second one He started at 1:30 in the second one, which I was telling. 1:30 to 2 p.m. Look at that time duration. 1:30 p.m. to 2 p.m. Again, he covered a distance of 20 kilometers, right? And look at this time duration, 5:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. In that time period, also he covered a distance of 20 kilometers. So same speed in all these three durations. Okay. So what is the answer given in the book?
Sir, from 1 to
No.
1:30 p.m.
Yes, 1 to 1:30 p.m. is the right answer. You are right.
he
From
covered
1 to
40 kilometers.
1:30 p.m. he covered a total distance of 40 kilometers. You are right. So this is the fastest speed from 1. That's why I was confused. How can we have three answers for the same question? Look at the time duration from 1 to 1:30. Everyone. In that time duration, his speed is the highest. He covered a distance of 40 kilometers in half an hour in that time duration. So that means in during that time period, he his speed was 80 kilometers per hour, right? So answer is 1 to 1:30. Correct. Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir. Start doing question 10, all the parts. Yes, have you all done question 10, all the parts?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Post your answers in the group.
Sir, posted.
Very good. Let's discuss The line graph given below shows the yearly sales figures for a manufacturing company during the last 5 years. Okay, yearly sales during the last 5 years. Okay, in 2012, the sales were of what was the total sale in year 2012? Tell me, all of you.
4,
It was
4,
4 crore. The sales were of 4 crore. 2013, what was the total sale?
okay. 6 crores.
7 crore 2013. 6 and 8 के बीच में है 7 करोड़. 2014,
6 crores.
6 crore, correct. 2015, what was the total sale?
10 crores.
10
10 crores. And 2016, what was the total sale?
8 crores.
8 crores.
8 crore, correct. So this is what they have asked in the first question we have discussed. Second one, compute the difference between the sales in 2012 and 2016. You have to find out the difference in the sales in the year 2012 and 2016. So what was the sale in 2012? It was 4
4
crore.
crores.
In 2016, the total sale was of
8 crores.
8 crore. What is the difference?
4 crores.
4 crore, correct. The difference in the sale was of 4 crore. Okay, very nice. Third part, in which year was there the greatest difference between the sales as compared to its previous difference? In which year there was the greatest difference?
So 2015.
2015, correct. Because in 2014 the sale was of 6 crore, whereas in 2015 the sale was of 10 crore. So there was a difference of 4 crore in 2 years. Okay, in 1 year, sorry. This is the maximum difference. Okay, very good. Anshuman, write down crore in your answers.
Okay, sir.
Pranjali, correct. Question 11. We can discuss it like this only. Very easy, only two parts. The following is the distance time graph of Amit's walking. So, in 10 minutes, the you can see the horizontal axis, x-axis, it is showing the time, and the vertical axis is showing the distance covered. Okay, so in the first 15 minutes, he covered a distance of 0.75 kilometers. Okay, so you can see the dots. Okay, can we start doing the questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just a minute. Let me share the link just a minute. Yeah, first one. When does Amit make the least progress? Explain your answer. Least progress.
So 25 minutes.
25
Yes,
to
sir.
40 minutes. Correct? In the time period 25 minutes to 40 minutes, the progress was the least, because in this time duration he covered the least difference, or you can say that his speed was least. Speed was the lowest. Correct? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Second part, find his average speed in kilometer per hour. Can you find his average speed in kilometers per hour?
The 2 kilometer per hour.
No, not 2.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is the answer? It is not 2 kilometer per hour. Why?
2.18 kilometers.
Yeah, something like that. He covered 2 kilometers in 55 minutes, not in 60 minutes. Anshuman. He covered a total distance of 2 kilometers in 55 minutes. So 55 minutes means 55 upon 60 hours. Let me do it on the board. So that first of all, the time is how much? 55 minutes. If you change it in hours, you get 55 upon 60 hours. And the distance covered is 2 kilometers. Okay. So speed is equal to distance divided by time. Do you all know? Do you all know the formula of speed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Distance upon time.
So simplify this. You get 24 upon 11. You can find in decimal. You will get your answer in hours. Sorry, kilometer per hour. Okay. Or you can leave it in fraction also. 2 whole 2 upon 11 kilometers per hour. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Start doing the 12th one. Question 12, all the parts. So everyone till question 16 only are there in your syllabus, not after that. Only till question 16. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Till question 16, the questions are coming in your syllabus.
Okay, sir.
Understood, Mayank, Mandina, and Pranjali?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Hmm. Question 12. Done? All of you? All the parts of question 12?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Pranjali, Mayank, Mandina, Anshuman?
Yes, sir. Done.
Sir, do
Doing. It's now done.
Yes.
Pranjali, done?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, so this for an experiment in botany, two different plants, plant A and plant B, were grown under similar laboratory conditions. Their heights were measured at the end of each week for 3 weeks. The results are shown by the line graph given below. So there are two plants. Plant A is denoted by the line graph of plant A. Growth of plant A is shown by the dotted line, and the growth of plant B is shown by the continuous line. Okay, this is the growth, that means the height, total height that the plant attained during these particular weeks, week 1, week 2, week 3. Okay, first part, how high was plant A after 2 weeks and 3 weeks? Tell the height of plant A after 2 weeks.
709 centimeters.
After 2 weeks, plant A 7 centimeters. Okay, and the
Yes.
height of plant A after 3 weeks. What is the height?
Sir, 9 centimeters.
9 centimeters. Absolutely correct. Have you all understood or not?
Yes,
You
sir.
have to see the dotted line for plant A. Look at the dotted line. So after week 2, the height is 7 centimeters, and after week 3, the height is 9 centimeters. Same you have to do for plant B also. What is the height of plant B after week 2? It is 7 centimeters only, and the height of plant B after week 3. Tell all of you.
10 centimeters.
The answer is 10 centimeters. Correct. 10 centimeters is the height after week 3. How much did plant A grow during the third week? How much did plant A grow during the third week? What
Sir,
was the
2
total
centimeters.
growth? The plant A grew
Plant
a
A.
total distance of total height of 2 centimeters. Correct answer. कितनी height बढ़ी? 2 centimeters, because in the end of 2 weeks he was at 7 centimeters. At the end of 3 weeks it was not he it was at 9 centimeters. The total height was 9, so that difference is 9 minus 7 equal to 2 centimeters. Got it, all of you? How much did plant B grow from the end of second week to the end of third week? That means the same question. Tell.
Sir, 3 centimeters. 7
3
to 10.
centimeters. Yes, 10 minus 7, 3 centimeters. During which week did plant A grow most? कौन से वीक में प्लांट ए की ग्रोथ सबसे ज्यादा हुई थी?
Sir, second
Second
week.
week. Correct answer, Pranjali. During which week did plant B grow least? सबसे कम growth. Which week? Plant B.
Sir, first week.
First week. The plant B had grown only 1 centimeter in the first week. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Understood?